Akachi. We are live here at the Bay's Landmark Event Center. I'm Odera Collins, live from the black carpet. I know you were expecting to hear the red carpet, but guess what? It's dark tonight because it's Demons in Diamonds. Yes, we are here at the official premiere for the sequel to the Living in Bondage. It's actually a 1992 film that made way for what is Nollywood today. I'm Odera Collins once again. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the show.
Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite tall boyfriend, Slim Shady, and it's called Chi. Do not forget, keep tuning in. It's Blueprint Afrique TV. Don't go nowhere.
Mrs. Akachi. Now, for those of you who do not know, Mrs. Akachi is actually the mother of the lead actor in this sequel. I'm talking about Swanky. Good evening, Ma.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
So I know you're here for reasons aside just seeing the film.
Yes.
You're here to support your son. So how did that make you feel, hearing your son was going to be in the movie Living in Bondage?
It's always been a struggle in the past because I've never been supportive of him being in this industry, until at a point, maybe through prayers and all that. I remember there was a particular time God said I should leave him alone. So I let him be.
So you listen to God?
Yes, a lot. So I let him be. So at this point, I'm just happy for him because I suddenly realized, or I've just come to realize, that it's not about what you want your child to do, but it's about what God has deposited in him and whichever area he will go. So I'm very happy to be here today.
Right.
But I laugh within myself because I know that I was never supportive at the beginning.
All right, thank you so much, Ma. Have a lovely evening. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm here with the Oracle himself, Mr. Okechukwu Oko. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Okay, I can see that you're calm and collected.
Always. Always.
Okay, so we're here for the Living in Bondage, Breaking Free. This is the sequel to the original film.
Yes.
What are you looking out for from a producer and a director's angle this time?
I've seen the trailer and I know the people, the characters in the film, and I couldn't have been expecting anything more than what I'll definitely see tonight, which is something huge, something seriously explosive, and I must say it's something like a time bomb. This is Ramsey's maiden first debut as a director, but he's been a phenomenal actor over the years. So I expect something really explosive this time around from him.
Okay. Yeah. So now this is one of the films that paved way for Nollywood. So we're basically making history this night.
Yes.
Now, do you also think that this sequel is going to change anything in Nollywood?
Well, every good movie in its own way tends to change the narrative. Yeah. So I know that this will make history as the previous one before this did. So I'm very, very sure, I'm very positive that this film is going to change the narrative. People are going to say so many things about this film because it's, you can't talk about Nollywood without mentioning Living in Bondage. So, everyone's excited. Everyone wants to really see this, and I'm sure I won't be disappointed.
Yeah. All right, thank you. So who else are you anticipated to see? Like kids of the new school now? I don't want to hear anybody from the first part. Presently. Who can't you wait to see?
The major reason I came to this premiere is Swanky.
Swanky.
Yes.
Big up Swanky once again.
Because I've worked with him and I really want to see him on the big screen doing what I have experienced him do. So I can't wait to see how he brought out his best on this particular one.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. Have a lovely evening. Okay, so I'm here with who is actually the father of Igbo rap.
Thank you very much. So one would just expect a lot of suspense, a lot of intrigue. In fact, I'm going to be at the edge of my seat all through.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good so much. Okay, so now you saw the first one. Do you have a hint? Do you think, okay, this is how part 2 is going to be?
Honestly, I can just speculate. Given to what we saw in the first series, I want to guess, but I just don't want to guess because I know this one is actually going to be something a little bit different from what we saw from the first time, but more like a sequel.
You didn't really take the Demons and Diamonds serious with the whole costuming, because people went all out.
Yeah, I know.
And you just, I beg.
At some point you just decide to just dress calm and all that, and it's a night thing, so I just started to do like this.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. And so we're here with the former Commissioner for Tourism in Enugu State, Rita Mba. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening to you.
How are you today?
I'm good, are you?
I'm excited. Like, I don't even know how I feel. I can't decide that yet.
Okay.
And
that's
you?
Nice. I'm very okay. Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy that the premiere of Living in Bondage actually came to Enugu because this is where it all started.
Yeah. Okay, so do you have anything you're looking forward to in the movie? You know, the original, that's the Living in Bondage, held everyone spellbound. I mean, it was like, okay. So right now, everybody's like, okay, what are we going to see? So what opinions do you have towards this film? What are you expecting from the sequel?
The truth is that I'm not looking forward to anything in particular. I'm just looking forward to a good movie. I watched Living in Bondage a very long time ago. It all started in Enugu, and when I watched it, it was lovely, it was wonderful. And I was just wondering, I kept wondering, I don't know what they're going to do now. So the suspense is nice.
Okay.
So I'm not really looking forward to anything but a very good movie.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so now let's digress a little bit. You look ravishing, you look beautiful, black from head to toe. You kept with the demons and diamonds thingy. Okay, so how long did it take you to get dressed, and who styled you? Was it your choice, or was there an extra help from somewhere?
Oh, who styled me? I styled myself.
Oh, you're a fashionista then.
Oh yeah, I styled myself. I wear what I look good in. No particular designer, you know. So it took me just about an hour to get ready.
Okay.
Yes, just about.
For a lady, that's good.
My hair is natural, so there's no too much, you know. So, yes.
All right, so thank you. Enjoy the movie, enjoy the film. Have a lovely night.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm here with Kenneth Eze. I don't know. You just have to give it up to this outfit. I love it. Like, Lord bless you.
Oh, bless you too.
Okay, so Kenny, we're here for Living in Bondage. The sequel, Breaking Free.
Yeah.
What are you waiting for? What are you anticipating?
I'm anticipating for the best because I've heard a lot about Living in Bondage, the sequel, and I heard a lot about the first one. Yeah, so I'm anticipating for the best. I can't wait to see Swanky there because I'm here because of him.
Oh, okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so Swanky won. Others.
And everyone, of course. Yeah.
All right, thank you. Have a lovely evening. Enjoy the film.
I love the red dress.
Thank you, Lady in Red. All right, thank you. And it's still happening here live at the Base Landmark Event Center in Enugu. I'm Odera Collins. I'm live from the red carpet for Blueprint Afrique TV. And guess what? We're still going to be meeting with celebrities. It's not a red carpet, it's a black carpet. And you know, black represents a whole lot of things. It's living in bondage. You're wearing a vintage shirt. Can we connect the dots?
It's like we're trying to relive where we've been.
Okay.
You understand, to the present time right now. So we're trying to recreate where we've been before, and that is where we are. Vintage is vintage. It's been there and it's still there till now. We've seen Living in Bondage before, and we're trying to see a new creation or a new interpretation of what it is for our modern age right now. So.
Okay, so since you're one of the kings of the new school, which characters are you anticipating? I mean, you saw them in the trailers. You're like, I can't wait to see this person deliver.
Yo, I can't wait to see everybody because I don't know. Like, I felt like the trailer wasn't enough for me.
Okay.
You understand? I felt like I want more. So that's why I'm here today. So I'm looking forward to every single person I saw on the trailer and what I didn't see.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening. Who are you waiting to see? Who can't you?
And your KK and Swanky. Those two people are my favorite.
Okay. All right. So do you think there's going to be any twist? Like, I mean, it's the part 2.
I feel there might just be a little spice. No twist, but a little spice to make it a bit more interesting, a little bit modern. You know, initially the Living in Bondage was a normal. We didn't have all the interesting gadgets or modern stuff. So I feel it's going to be a bit more modern now than the last one we watched.
Okay, so that's all you're waiting to see, right?
Yeah.
The modern,
the spice.
feel, the spice of life. Okay, thank you, Blessed. Have a lovely evening. But before I let you go, I mean, you're looking ravishing. So tell me, what inspired you from head to toe?
I just wanted to look simple, classy, and pure, like I said.
Oh, pure, exactly. Okay,
Yeah.
so who styled you?
Dion Bassi.
So how do you feel about this film?
Well, I had to find my way down here. It's a long time. It's a long story about this movie. I think it's the first Nigerian movie I ever really enjoyed. So the moment I heard it was coming again, I had to find time to come and see it.
Pay homage.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So in this film, this is one of those very few Nigerian films that has Nigerian artists doing the soundtrack for the film. So how does that make you feel? Because years back, you hardly find artists incorporating their craft into film in Nollywood.
That's impressive. I've been around the music industry for a long time, so I didn't even know this. I'm just hearing it for the first time. It's quite impressive to hear that all the tracks are done by our people.
Yeah.
That's what it should be. We should be supporting our own. Because our music is huge now, so
Very huge.
we can't be borrowing from people anymore.
All right, thank you so much, sir. Do have a lovely evening. Enjoy yourself.
It's my pleasure.
All right. I'm not going to ask you what inspired your outfit, because I know it's living in bondage. But I mean, why did you choose this? Is this the Black Swan or the Black Witch?
Yeah, everything this night is about the villain, the bad side of everyone.
The quest for wealth.
Yes, the quest for wealth. And then, I'm representing the Black Bride, the Black Swan, everything dark. Basically.
I can see from your makeup to your dress to your veil and the color of your hair. All right. So if you had any magic powers, what would you want them to be?
Okay, I want to change the world. With my magic power, make it a better place.
You look like someone of what's it called? The Migos.
The Migos, thank you very much.
Okay. Quavo. Oh, so Quavo is your inspiration, not living in bondage.
Of course, I have to support living in bondage for our country with my member Swanky.
Okay, that's interesting. So right now we're here for the sequel to the original film. Who can't you wait to see?
Oh, first of all, I want to see my man Swanky JFK. That's the reason why I'm here. Then all the following artists are Ramsey, Nouah, Bob Emmanuel, Kanayo, and the rest of the legendary movie actors. You understand? Yeah.
Okay. So have a lovely evening. Enjoy yourself.
Very much. Feeling late. Can I go now?
Yes, you can, of course. All right, and that's it. You have seen fashion in different ways. I mean, someone even came looking like a part of the Migos crew. It is still the Black Carpet live here at the Bay's Landmark Event Center. I'm Odera Collins. It's still Blueprint of Freak TV. A lot of celebrities are trooping down the carpet. Guess what? I think Swanky is in the house because the little bird just told me that they saw him. So we're going to meet Swanky very soon. Sit back and relax. Okay, and I'm here with this angel in white. Good evening.
Good evening.
What's your name?
My name is Laurel.
Laurel?
Yes.
Oh, Laurel. I love the sound of that name, Laurel. Laurel, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so you're wearing white?
Yes, I'm wearing white. Well, I decided to do something outside the demons. Probably I'm part of those that help break them free. So, I decided
so you're the angel of liberation.
Exactly. I'm the part of the breaking free of the demons and stuff like that. Yeah, definitely. That was the inspiration. Like, because everyone's probably going to be wearing black.
Okay,
try
so
something
you just
different.
Want it to be different.
Yeah.
Oh, it was the mother of all movies. When some years back, like 1992 to be very precise, a new movie was bettered. We are not so used to watching this Nollywood. It was the mother of all these movies. So, and it was awesome, it was thrilling. Then we equally waited all this while to see something get out of living in bondage. But I'm happy, and I think the Enugu populace is equally happy, and we are seeing a revised standard of living in bondage.
Okay, so are there any characters you anticipated, like you can't wait?
Definitely, I'm looking forward to seeing Kanayo. Looking forward to seeing Kenneth Okonkwo, who's the anchor point, the eccentric petal figure during that period.
Okay.
Equally, Bob Manuel did a wonderful work equally. I don't know about Polo anymore.
I am excited. I'm a huge fan of the first one, and I'm a huge fan of Kanayo. So I was hoping that he will be here.
He just might be here. He just might be around here somewhere.
Okay, all right. I'm ready for it.
Okay, so what characters, aside Kanayo, because I'm very sure you're excited to see him come back, what characters are you expecting in this sequel?
I watched the first one, so I know the people who didn't make it won't be here. Merit, for instance, I don't expect her to be in the second one.
Okay.
But Andy, definitely. Chief Omego, whom I've already mentioned. You can say I'm a huge fan, I know that.
You're a die-hard fan, I can see that.
It will have to be Ramsey, Nouah.
Okay.
And the new guy, I don't know his name, but from the trailer, I think that he's going to bring it to, I think he's the person that acted as Kenneth Okonkwo's Andy's son.
Swanky,
yeah, I don't know his name, yeah. So I think I'm looking forward to seeing him as well. And then of course, KOK. the whole crew, the people that they brought back, and then the new cast. It looks to be a very big production. And
who is that one person you're like, oh my god, this person is here, I'm going to watch this film?
Nouah.
Nouah, Man Crush Monday. His sister in the clan of girls that are crushing on you. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a lovely evening. All right, darling.
Obviously, I want to see Andy Okpaleke. I want to see him perform on the stage because I've loved and wished that I would always see him someday.
Oh, that's very interesting. Okay, so Divine, you're wearing yellow. I mean, why? Why did you choose yellow?
Because I want to be noticed, with a flashy color. So when you're walking down, some people get attraction. Not like there's any big deal about it. Yeah.
So there you have it. Divine is one of those people that will not stick to the dress code because she wants to be noticed. She?
Yeah.
All right, Divine, have a lovely evening.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'm here with the Honorable Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, Honorable Ugonna Ibe. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good.
I can see that. I love your white senator. From your head to the toe, you're looking dash, like ravishing.
You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
It's a very powerful movie. I think it heralded the birth of Nollywood. So that's why I'm here to witness the part 2 part of it. Yeah.
All right, thank you, sir. Have a lovely evening. Enjoy yourself.
You too. Bye-bye.
And that was the Honorable Commissioner. I mean, a lot of people are anticipating to see Andy, even the young and the old. I think that's one of the spectacular things of this night, the fact that history is being made, because, I mean, this is the film that made way for what Nollywood is today.
Then again, I have a crush on Nancy Sime.
Nancy, can you hear that? Somebody has a crush on you.
My celebrity crush. You didn't ask me, but I told you already, so.
No, so I'm helping you tell her. Like,
well, if she's gonna see her, she has an admirer here.
Aww.
I know she has a lot anyway.
Aww. Won't you admire me?
Of course, well.
What's that? Why did you have to take a second guess? Alrighty, Kejuku, do enjoy the rest of your evening.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, bye.
Well, the main person I want to see is Andy.
You're one of the persons that I can see. You took it serious.
Well, when they say demons and diamonds, we have to try our best to see that we come up with something like that.
I mean, okay, so how long did it take you? Like, where did the inspiration come from? Why did you choose this particular outfit?
I kind of thought about demons, and in Nigeria, we all know demons are attached with black color and angels are attached with white color. So, and then I wanted to do diamonds, but I didn't want to do the silver thing, know. So I just had to spice it up a little bit and do all black and gold throughout. And that's my own definition of demons and diamonds.
Oh, nice. Nice, Echelon. So who are you waiting to see?
Everybody.
Everybody.
That
is beautiful.
And most importantly, I'm waiting to see the movie because from the very first time I saw the advert, I told everybody that sent it to me, I can't wait. I really need to see it. I really need to see it.
Okay. So have a lovely evening.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Why?
Actually, I've seen a clip of it. I've seen it. I saw it yesterday.
No spoilers.
Oh, no spoilers, I promise. I'm actually here to see it again, which means I enjoyed what I saw yesterday.
And you're here for another one?
I'm here for another one. And also to support my friend, a very good friend of mine, Swanky, who is one of the actors. So
big ups to Swanky.
Yeah, big ups to Swanky.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Henry. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And as usual, all good things must come to an end. That is the end of the black carpet for the Living in Bondage premiere. Yes, we are still live at the Bay's Landmark Event Center, but right now we're going inside to actually experience the film. If you missed it, well, you missed out. The fashion was great, the glitz and glamour, everything was on point. I'm Audrey Collins, it's Blueprint Afrique TV. Until next time, have a lovely, lovely rest of the day.